Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice Harvard functional equations: f of 1 over x plus f of 1 over x f of minus x equals 2x. And what is f of 2? I solved this problem in two different ways. Let's start with method 1. So first thing here is the x here is not equals 0. So x is not equals to 0 because of this fraction. Then let's say we let x to be equals minus 2. So the first one becomes f of minus 1 over 2, then minus 1 over 2 f of 2 equals minus 4. Then let's multiply this one throughout by 2. Here becomes 2f of minus 1 over 2, then minus f of 2 equals minus 8. Let's call this one equation 1. And also, let's replace by letting x equals 1 over 2. And for f of 1 over x, it becomes f of 2. Then plus 1 divided by 2 f of, so it is 1 over x, so this one also becomes 2f of minus 1 over 2 equals 1. So I call this one equation 2. So having these two equations, we are going to combine the two together. Here is f of 2 and that is f of minus 2. We can just simply add this. By adding this, we are going to have here as 2f of minus 1 over 2 because this and this cancelled. Then plus 2f of minus 1 over 2 equals minus 1 plus minus 8, that gives us minus 7. So the addition of 2f of minus 1 over 2 and this, it gives us 4f of minus 1 over 2, then equals minus 7. So by dividing both sides by 4, we are going to have f of minus 1 over 2 equals minus 7 over 4. So we got this first one so that we can get the second one. So when you recall from this equation 2, where we have f of 2 plus 2, but f of minus 1 over 2 is given as minus 7 over 4. So replacing, we have minus 7 over 4 equals 1. And by multiplying this, 2 here and 2 here, that is 2. We have this as minus 7 divided by 2. Then our f of 2, when we take this minus 7 over 2 to the other side, it becomes 1 plus 7 over 2. So adding 1 plus 7 over 2, we are going to get 9 divided by 2, which shows that f of 2 is given as 9 divided by 2. That is the first method of solving this. If you are just coming to this channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Let's get into the second method of solving this, the easiest one indeed. For the second method, suppose if I replace x, 1 over x, which is this, if I replace it to be equals minus y, then also our x here is now equals minus 1 divided by y. So coming back here, we are going to replace this, we substitute, and we have f of, instead of 1 over x, we change it to minus y. Then plus, our 1 over x is also minus y, that is, this plus becomes minus y. Then f of, here we have x, which is minus 1 over y, but it is minus x before, which means everything here becomes 1 over y, equals minus 2 divided by y. So having understand this, let's replace y with x. Here becomes f of minus x f of 1 over x equals minus 2 divided by x. So if this is what we have, then let's try and multiply this equation that we just got. Let's multiply the first one, the first equation, let's multiply it by x. So by multiplying it by x, we are going to have, I'm going to start this, and from the first equation, which is f of 1 over x plus 1 divided by x, f of minus x equals 2x. Multiplying this equation by x, here becomes x multiplied by f of 1 over x plus, so x here cancel this, and we have only f of minus x equals 2x squared. So I'm going to start this one as well. So we now have two different equations. Here is f of minus x, and here is f of minus x, which this and this are both positive. But if you can check this, we have x f of 1 over x, and this is minus x f of 1 over x. These two easily cancelled each other. When this and this cancel each other, by adding, we are going to have only f of minus 1 over f of minus x and f of minus x. So adding f of minus x with f of minus x, what we are going to have is 2f of minus x. Then everything equals, we are adding this together as well, which is 2x squared minus 2 divided by x. So this is what we have. Then from this side, let's take out 2. By factoring out 2, we have this as 2f of minus x equals, so 2 into bracket of x squared minus 1 over x. So cancelling these 2 and these 2, here becomes f of minus x, which is x squared minus 1 over x. Then after achieving this, we need to get f of 2. And in this function, we have the negative. That is, we are going to set x to be equals minus 2. Setting x equals minus 2, this becomes f of 2 equals minus 2 squared minus, but it is minus before, then this one changed to plus 1 over 2. So minus 2 squared, this gives us 4 rather. We have 4 plus 1 over 2. And 4 plus 1 over 2, this gives us 9 over 2. So 9 over 2 is the solution to this problem as we got from the beginning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are just coming, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.